Hello guys, welcome to DJ Boutique. Today, we're making a ribbon garland that's perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. First, I'll show you how to make the bow. We will be using satin ribbon in 2.5 cm wide. Here we have 25 cm long, 27 cm, and 30 cm. We also have a piece of ribbon for the centerpiece, which we'll use later on. Make sure your needle and thread are prepared and ready to use. Let's start by taking this piece of ribbon. Fold the ribbon to mark the middle point. Grab your needle and thread. Poke the needle in the middle of the ribbon. Next, grab the other piece of ribbon. Arrange the ribbon so that they are aligned. Now we'll start sewing. Grab the last piece of ribbon. This is the tail of our bow. Gently pull the thread to shape the bow. And wrap the thread around to secure the shape. Next, let's attach the centerpiece. Seal the ends to prevent fraying, and we will glue. We'll also heat seal the ends of the tail. This is our one bow finished. The garland we're making is about 36 inches long and uses 9 bows in total. If you want a longer garland, just add more bows. I'm using 2 different ribbon colors, but feel free to experiment with others to match your occasion. Now, we'll attach the bows together to create our garland. We have a piece of ribbon to use as our string, and it's about 30 cm long. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!